First of all, Kiyosaki is the author of the best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book has sold millions of copies worldwide and has been a game-changer for many people. Kiyosaki's approach to personal finance is refreshing and unconventional. He emphasizes the importance of financial education and building passive income streams. But Kiyosaki is not just a one-hit wonder. He has written many other books, including Cash Flow Quadrant and The Business of the 21st Century. Kiyosaki is also a successful entrepreneur, investor, and motivational speaker. His message is clear. Anyone can achieve financial freedom with the right mindset and the right tools. So, why is Robert Kiyosaki the new hotness? Because he offers a new perspective on personal finance and self-improvement. He challenges conventional wisdom and provides practical advice that anyone can follow. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to take control of your financial future, then Kiyosaki is your guy. Check out his books, attend his seminars, and start taking action today.